In this video, I will show you how to add a music bot in Discord. So make sure to follow along and watch this full tutorial to learn how to choose a music bot, invite it to your Discord server, give it the correct permissions, and start playing music in your voice channel. If this video helps, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple Discord and tech tutorials. So to get started, what you want to do is come across to the server that you want to add the music bot to. It's important to note you do need to be the owner of the server or have the relevant permissions to do this. So in this example, I'm just going to come across to a server I've created, and once you've done that, you want to come up to the top left hand corner and click onto the server name. From this menu that comes up, come down and click onto app directory, and then what you want to do is use the search icon in the top right hand corner, give that a click, and you want to search for something called Greenbot. Now it's going to be the first result that comes up, this one here. Give it a click and that's going to take you to the bot or app page. From here you want to click the add app button, and what that's going to do is come up with a permission like this. So you just want to scroll down and then click to select your server from the drop down list here. So I'm going to select my server and then click continue. What you then want to do is read through these permissions, agree to all of them, and authorize this for your Discord server. And there might also be a quick human verification to do, so do that. Once that's done, you're going to get the success window saying this bot has been added to your server. So what I'm going to do is just click on to close and come back to my server on the left hand side. Now as you can see, it's now been added, and there's a number of things you can do with this bot, but of course one of the main things is you can use it to play music on your server. Now to actually use this to play music, what you want to do is jump into a voice channel. And once you've done that, you want to come down to the message box in your server and type the following command, which is /play. And you can see we're going to get a command come up at the top here. Give it a click, and then all you need to do is enter your song name. So for example, if I put this song here and then hit enter on my keyboard, what it's going to do is start playing this song. Now you can also queue songs as well. So if you actually put the command again, select it, and we can choose another song here, hit enter, and what it's going to do is queue this. As you can see, it says it's added it to the queue, and you can just repeat this to queue up music to play in your Discord server. So that is how to add music bot in Discord. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.